Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchaw. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious Pasi Paruppu Payasam with you. Pasi Paruppu means Moong Dal and Payasam means Kheer. So this is basically a Moong Dal Kheer which is typically made in Tamil Nadu. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first in a pressure cooker take half cup of moong dal. Roast it for 2 to 3 minutes or till it is aromatic. Now add 2 cups of water to it. Give it a mix. Cover the pressure cooker and pressure cook on medium flame till 3 whistles. So our Pasi Paruppu or moong dal is perfectly cooked now. Now in another pan take 1/3 cup of jaggery and half cup of water. Mix and melt the jaggery. Our jaggery syrup is ready. Now strain and add it to another kadai. Add the cooked moong dal. Mix the jaggery and the dal. Now let it simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. Now to this add 1 cup of coconut milk. If you want to see the recipe of coconut milk, you can check the I button. And also add half teaspoon of cardamom powder and give it a good mix. So let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes on low flame. Now let's roast the dry fruits. For that in a tadka pan take 1 teaspoon of ghee. To that add 5 to 6 cashew nuts and 8 to 10 raisins. Roast till they are golden brown and keep them aside. Now to the same pan and ghee add 2 tablespoons of chopped coconut. Roast till they are light golden in color. Now our payasam also looks cooked. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and the roasted dry fruit and coconut. Mix everything well and cook for a minute more. And our delicious Pasi Paruppu Payasam is ready. Serve it warm or chilled. In any way it tastes so good. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.